So you want to know the best way to get to the Hollywood sign? This video will show you how. So, have you always wanted to visit the Hollywood sign? Have you searched the internet for the best way? This video will take the things I've learned by watching other videos and my own personal experience to give you the best advice on how to enjoy your visit. Okay, so here you can see the map. So this is going to be your directions to get to Lake Hollywood Park. So the best way, take the 101 Northwest from Los Angeles until you get to Wonderview Drive. Now that's the exit you're going to take. That road will dead into Lake Hollywood Drive. And once that happens, you're going to take a right on Lake Hollywood Drive. Now, as soon as you turn right, you're going to see another Lake Hollywood Drive that goes south. That one you're going to skip. So just pass that one up, continue on the main Lake Hollywood Drive. You're going to take that till you see a split in the road, which is Tahoe Drive and Montlake Drive. Take the left, which is Tahoe Drive. Now, take that until it dead ends into Canyon Lake Drive and take a right. This will put you right at Lake Hollywood Park. Here's the view you can get at the park of the sign. Now, a lot of people will be good with this view and call it a day. And it's a great place, and it's not much walking to get this great view. As you can see, I panned around so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like from this shot. So if you're good with this, great. If you're a little more adventurous and want to go up the mountain, we're going to show you that too. Okay, so here's the lookout point we just showed you. And there's also another one when you walk up a little ways and you get another shot here of the sign. Now you're going to see up top, I'm circling where the Hollywood sign is. So you're pretty close already. So as you travel up Mulholland Highway, you're going to take the winding roads and you're going to get to the gate, which has a gate that's usually locked, and there's also a green door. We're going to show you that door now. So here's the door and there's the gate. The gate is not going to be open, but this door here you can go through, and it's tricky, so you got to kind of play with the handle a little bit, but it'll open up, and then you can see here the other side of it. So this is the path you're going to take that's going to get you right up near the sign. Okay, so once you got past the gate, you're going to walk another 100 feet up, and then you're going to see the final lookout spot. It's going to give you your best chance to get a view of the Hollywood sign. Okay, so here you can see the final lookout spot's view. So it's pretty good. You're about as close as you're going to be able to get to getting a good shot with the Hollywood sign. Now, as you can see behind us, there's also plenty of flat spaces here. If you have a drone and you want to take off and use that, this is a great place to fly from. Okay, so there is a little bit farther you can go from the screenshot we showed you. So this is kind of a little background of kind of where we came from. We didn't have to go up that steep part, but that shows you what's over there. Now, when you go up here, there's a big storage area, and there's a no trespassing sign here. So they make it clear this is as far as you're supposed to go. So we walked a little bit farther, and there's more signs, and you can see all the cameras there, and there's a couple speakers. And once we get to the end, they come on there and they tell you to turn around or the cops will come. So this is the absolute end of the road right here. So if you want to get the closest shot, this is your shot. Okay, so now some of you might want to go look at the sign from behind it and get really close. Well, you could, but they have a police station up there, and you can see where the people I've circled in black are standing, and the cops out there talking to them and keeping them away. So the chances of you getting anything from behind there are pretty slim. You may get lucky, but you're not going to get the great visual shot like you got from our side where you can see the Hollywood sign and get your selfies with it. So I was able to take my drone off from the spot I showed you, and I got a little bit of flying in, so I'll let you take a look at those. Hope you enjoy. Now you can also go this route. I've seen people make videos that take you here and it'll get you there. However, I find it's easier just to go up Mulholland Highway and make it to the gate. But this is where Deronda and Mulholland Highway will meet. So you could use this as a circle if you want to drive up first and maybe come back down Deronda and park down by the lake and then come back up. Or you can just use Mulholland Highway and use that as your main road to get up and get back down. So I would recommend just using Mulholland Highway. Keep it simple. So you can see we're coming back down the mountain, and of course you'll see the Hollywood sign up here. So you can tell it's quite a bit of a trek. Remember how close we were before, and so we're going back down, and you can see how steep it is. And you can see there's lots of places that you could possibly park and maybe walk up. So I definitely recommend trying to drive up and get closer. As you can see here, you could park and walk up, but this is how it works. Alright, so that wraps up the video. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gives you some good advice so that when you get to the sign you have a pretty easy path to get there. And I plan on making more of these videos for other places that we've traveled, so if you like it, please subscribe. Thanks.